Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is arithmetic progression, class 11th math part 10. Let us see. So here the question is what? The pth term of an AP is A and qth term of an AP is B. Then prove that sum of P plus qth term is P plus Q by 2 into A plus B plus A minus B divided by P minus Q. So everyone know that AP is what? Arithmetic progression. Any series or any progression where common difference is in. That is what? Second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, and so on is same. That is called arithmetic progression. So here question is what? The pth term of n. So you know nth term of any AP is what? Nth term of any AP is what? Here A plus n minus 1 into A. This is the formula for nth terms of any AP. Okay. Now here given pth term of an AP A and qth term of an AP B. And we have to prove that sum of P plus Q term. So we need sum of n terms of AP. So formula is what? Sum of n terms of AP is what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into. This is the basic formula. Sum of n terms of any AP is what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. A is what? First term of AP and n is what? How much term we are finding? Sum. So only these two formula we will use in this question. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग ओनली दो फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे. nth टर्म अगर किसी भी AP का है तो क्या होगा? A प्लस n माइनस 1d. A क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म AP के और D क्या है? कॉमन डिफरेंस AP का. और ये सम ऑफ n टर्म्स का सम क्या होगा? n by 2 2A plus n minus 1d. Now according to question, pth term of an AP. So it is given pth term, that is AP, equal to what? So formula is what? A plus n minus 1d. So this is A plus n is here P. So P minus 1 into. This is given what? A small a. Right? In the same way qth term. So this is what? Qth term. So again A plus and this is Q minus 1d. This is given what? 1. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. So now you see, if we subtract from first and second, so that is subtracting second from first, that is 1 minus 2, equation first minus 2. So what we get? So this is A plus P minus 1d equal to A, and this is A plus Q minus 1d equal to what? B. Now if you will subtract the equation, then sign will change. So यहाँ क्या होगा? This is minus, here plus, so minus, and again here minus. So this A and A cancel out. So we will take common D. So we will get what? That is P minus 1 and here what? Minus. So this is P minus 1 and minus Q and plus 1. And this equal to what? A minus B. So this 1 and this 1 cancel out. So we can find D equal to what? A minus B and divided by P minus Q. This is the value of D. Okay. Now if we add these two equations, so that is now equation first plus equation second. When we add, we will get what? A plus A is what? 2A plus D is common. Right? So here P minus 1 and plus Q minus 1. So we can write easily P plus Q minus 2. Right? P plus Q minus 2. And this equal to what? That is A plus B. Okay? Again we can write 2A plus D into. This is P plus Q minus 1. Okay? Here minus 2. So we have written only minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1. So writing here minus D. This equal to what? A plus B. Now we can write 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1. and this equal to what? A plus B plus D. Okay. Now, you know this is 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1. This is already A plus B, and we know D for, we have found already A minus B by P minus Q. Just put the value here, A minus B, and here is what? That is P minus Q. Now we have to find what? Sum of P plus Q term. So sum of P plus Q term. So you know formula, sum of n terms is what? N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1. So here n is what? P plus Q. So we will write here P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. N is what here? P plus Q. So we will write this is P plus Q minus 1 into D. Right? This is the sum of P plus Q. Formula is what? P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. N is what? P plus Q. So P plus Q minus 1 into D. Now you can see here. So 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1. This value is what? A plus B plus A minus B by Q. So just put the value here. This is P plus Q by 2 into 2A plus P plus Q minus 1D. This value from here is what? A plus B and plus A minus B by P minus Q. This is proved. So we have to prove here sum of P plus Qth term is what? P plus Q by 2 into A plus B plus A minus B by B minus Q. So sum of P plus Q is what? N by 2. So P plus Q by 2. And that is 2A. 2 into first term. So first term is this, so 2A plus n minus 1. And is P plus Q minus 1D. So P plus Q by 2. Now 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. This value is what? A plus B plus A minus B by P by Q. So this is our correct answer. This is the proof. So we can use this, or you can say as a trick also. When pH term of AP A and QH term of AP is B, and we are finding P plus Q term. So simply P plus Q by 2 into what is given? A and B. So A plus B plus A minus B by P minus Q. So you can use direct for the objective question, direct tricky approach. And if there is a question to prove, you can prove like this. Let us see the next question. The next question is what? In an AP, the sum of m terms is equal to n and sum of n term is equal to n. Then prove that the sum of m plus n term is what? Minus n plus n. So very important question. We can use this question as a trick also, and we will prove here. So question is what? In an AP, sum of m term is equal to n. So here given sum of m term is what? That is n. And sum of n terms. So sum of n terms equal to what? N. Then prove that. So we have to prove here what? To prove. So what we have to prove? Sum of m plus n term. That is sum of m plus n term is what? Minus m plus n. So we can use this as a trick also. If sum of m term is given n, sum of n term is given m. Then if we find sum of m plus n term is what? Simply minus of sum of this m plus n. Let us see how can we prove. So you know sum of m terms is what? M by 2. So from this we can write what? M by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. So n is what here? M. So we can write m minus 1 into d. This is given how much? N. In the same way from here, n by 2. So this is n is n. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to what given? M. Okay. Now from this equation, we can write what? That is 2 into n, 2n. So we can write 2n equal to 2am, 2n equal to 2am plus d is common here and multiply m into m, that is m square, and minus m into minus 1 is what? Minus m, right? So d is common, m square minus m into d. So from this equation, m into 2a, 2am, m into m square minus m into d equal to what? 2m. Similarly, from the secant, here 2 go there 2m. So we can write here 2m equal to 2a into n, that is 2an plus d into n square minus n, right? So this is 2n and this is 2m. Now you can find here what? That is difference of this. So if we are taking difference, so that is what? 2 common n minus m. This equal to what? So here we can write common 2am and 2am. So we can write 2a m minus n. And then here d is common. So we can write what? M square minus m, and here minus n square plus n. Okay. Now you can see here n minus m, here m minus n. So we are just taking common minus 2. So this is what? M minus n. And this equal to 2a m minus n. And now you see here, this is what? M square minus n square. So m square minus n square, when we go for this two part, this and this. So m square minus n square, so a square minus b square, what? A plus b, a minus b. So m square minus n square, we can write what? M plus n into m minus n. Now here minus m plus n. Okay, na? So we can write what? N minus m or m minus n. So here already m minus n, m minus, we are writing minus m minus. So we will take what? That is minus m plus n. So if we are taking minus, so then this is what? M minus n. So if we break this number, you will get minus m plus n, already minus m plus n. So here minus common, so it is m minus n. Okay. Now you take, if this is a common m minus n, this is common m minus n, and this is common m minus n, this is common m minus n. Now simply we can write what? That is minus 2 equal to what? That is 2a plus d into, and here m plus n minus 1. M plus n minus 1. So we got minus 2 equal to 2a plus d into m plus n minus 1. Now let us see what we have to find. हमें क्या find करना है? हमें find करना है m plus n term के sum. Sum of m plus n term. So sum of m plus n term. So you know Sn formula we have used here. Sn formula क्या है? n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So here n is what? M plus n. So this is m plus n by 2 into 2a, and then m plus n minus 1 into d. Now you see this is m plus n by 2, and here 2a plus d into m plus n minus 1, same is here, 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. So this total value is what? Minus 2. So we can put here minus 2 simply. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 cancel out. So we get what? Minus m plus n. So we have proved sum of m plus n term is what? Minus of m plus. When sum of m term is n and sum of n term is n, then you can use directly sum of m plus n is what? Minus of m plus n term. So this is proved. Let us see the question third. So question third is what? If the first n terms of an AP is same as the sum of its first n term, then sum of its m plus n term is what? So very simple and tricky approach question we can use as a trick also. So what is the question? Sum of m terms, often AP is equal to sum of n term. Then sum of m plus n term equal to 1. Right? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? See. So we know sum of m terms is what? N by 2. So n is m here, m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Similarly here, sum of n term. So sum of n term is what? N by 2. So this is n by 2 and it is what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 is what? Cancel out. Okay. And you know well, here sum of m terms Sn, we have to find m plus n. So sum is what? M plus n by 2, 2a into m plus n minus 1. So just finding the value of this. So this is what? 2a taking common. So this is 2a. So this is what? 2am. 2am. So 2a common. So this is m here. And this is 2an. When come this is negative. So this is what? Minus n. Okay, na? So 2a common here. So m minus n. Now d common. So if we are taking the d common, then this is what? This is m into m minus 1. So m into m minus 1 is what? ms square minus m. M into m minus 1. So ms square minus m. Now this term will come LHS, so negative. So n into n, ns square. So this is what? Minus ns square. And this is what? Minus n. So it is what? Plus n. And this equal to what? 0. Now you see, this is 2a. This is m minus n. And here d. And this is ms square minus n square. So you know formula a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus. So here m square minus n square we can write m plus n into m minus n. Now here m minus n, here m minus n. Here minus m plus n. So we can take minus common. Then this is also m minus n. This equal to what? 0. Now you see, we can take common m minus n. So this is m minus n. So this is what? 2a. And here m minus n, m minus common. So this is what? d into m plus n minus 1. And this equal to 0. So we can write 2a plus d into m plus n minus 1. This equal to what? 0. Now we know we have to find sum of m plus n term. So this is m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. So you know here this is simply m plus n by 2 and here 2a plus m plus n minus 1d. This value is what? 0. So we can put here 0. So 0 multiply anything is 0. So our correct answer is what? 0. So if sum of m term is sum of n terms, we can use as a trick sum of m plus n is what? Always 0. So we can prove this. Okay.